औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and you are safe and sound at your homes and you are doing your studies well and preparing for your daily basis test. I wish you best of luck. So my dear students, today in your English class lecture number 12 is there, and today we are revising active voice and passive voices. Okay, before this we have revised the passive voices of present tenses: present indefinite active and passive, present continuous active and passive, present perfect tense active and passive, and only the present perfect continuous tense has no passive voice. Okay, and this is the mix exercise. Today we are going to solve of these tenses. Let's see what they are saying. These are the things, these are the rules have been given in your book. We have revised them time and again. Let's see once again active and passive voices. This is your grammar book, page number 168. Voice is that form of verb which shows whether the subject does something or has something done to it. There are two voices in English language: active voice and passive voice. Active voice. A verb is in the active voice when its subject does something. Okay, for example, Khurshid helps Noshaba. Khurshid, subject, performer of the action. What action he is performing? Help. To whom he is helping? Noshaba, and Noshaba is object here in this sentence. Second one example is the driver opened the door of the car. The driver is the performer of any action. He is subject here. Driver is subject and the car is object. The boy makes the picture. The boy is subject and picture is object. What is the passive voice? A verb is in the passive voice when something is done to its subject. Okay, in simple form we have learned that when the subject receives any action, something happens to the subject. Noshaba is helped by Khurshid. The three examples that has been given here, the same passive voices are given in passive under this heading. Noshaba is helped by Khurshid. The driver opened the door of car. The door of the car was opened by the driver, because the second one example is in past tense, and that's why in past tense was is used here. Third one is the boy makes the picture. The picture is made by the boy. We see that the following change takes place when a sentence is changed from the active into passive voice. एक्टिव से पैसिव करते हुए क्या क्या चेंजिंग्स आती हैं वो हम देखेंगे. फर्स्ट वन, द सब्जेक्ट बिकम्स द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट बिकम्स द सब्जेक्ट. एज वी हैव रिवाइज दैट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड सब्जेक्ट इंटरचेंज देयर पोजिशन विद ईच अदर. The principal verb is changed into the past participle. Past participle mean third form of verb if it is not already in that form. अगर ये पहले से ही थर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है तो इसको थर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज कर दिया जाता है. एंड इज प्रोसीडेड बाय सम फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब बी. द preposition by is placed before the object. Preposition by is used when the subject is given in active voice. जब एक्टिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट गिवन होता है, ठीक है, तो उसको पैसिव वॉइस में करते हुए हमें बाय की प्रपोजिशन ऐड करनी पड़ती है. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स गिवन अहेड. Following is a list of sentences in various tenses changed from the active into the passive voice. First one, I'm going to read them in front of you, but you will just revise the passive voices of present tenses. Okay, because we have revised present tenses now. After revising the past tenses, we will practice past tenses passive voices. The first one is, the mother loves the children The children are loved by the mother. Present indefinite tense is this. They are buying this house. Are buying continuous tense. This book, you know very well. This house is singular. For singular we are using is, and ing will change into being. Bought by, third form, bought by, they will change into them. She has not beaten the dog. The dog has not been beaten by her. She bought, past indefinite tense. Okay, because we have not revised the past tenses now, but I'm reading it. She bought 5 video films. 5 video films were bought by her. She gave me 5 films. I was given 5 films by her. Why did she write such a letter? Why was such a letter written by her? She was teaching the students. The students were being taught by her. They had gained nothing. Nothing had been gained by them. He will write a letter. These are future tenses. A letter will be written by him. We shall have killed the snake. The snake will have been killed by us. Note is given here. Sentences in the present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous are not changed into the passive voice. Okay, perfect continuous tense has no passive voice. So my dear students, this is the exercise given in your book, and this is your practice exercise. There are 20 sentences. You will select present tenses in this list, and you will solve them on your notebook. For example, she likes apple. This is the present indefinite tense. We did not hear a sound. This is past tense, and you will solve it after revising the past tenses. The board has given me a gold medal. Present perfect tense. Okay, the teacher was helping the students. Past tense. They have not done their job. Present tense. Okay, this is the list for you. This is your practice of passive voices that we have revised in previous days. I wish you good luck. I hope that you will solve them accurately. First of all, you will write the formations of active voices, and you will write the helping verbs of passive voices. You can write the full formation of passive voice. Okay, first you have to revise the formations. After that you will be able to solve them easily. Okay, my dear students, note down today's diary. You have to solve this exercise that is on page number 168 and 169 of your grammar book. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.